Yes, welcome to our today's demonstration video. We wish to demonstrate about an automated domestic solar powered water pumping system, which is automated. Automated we mean that the system goes off automatically when the tanks get full, or when they get at the level at which you set. Yeah, we're going to see the storage system, then the delivery system, the power source system, which is a solar panel, then the controller, and then yeah, we see the rest. Yeah, this is our we are currently putting water here from the source. The tanks are about to get full, so that blue ball valve, so when the tank gets full, it will go up, and then the controller goes off automatically. Yeah, these tanks have been connected in parallel. We shall see the second one there. It's not us who put up the tanks and then the tank tower. Yeah, that is our solar panel where we are getting power to the controller and then our drilled well outside there. Yeah, let's go and see where or how our pipes are coming. So this pipe brings in water from down. Then where we've dug there is where the pipe that bring water and the pipe that takes power, or that houses the wires that takes power from that ball valve to the controller. So this pipe here houses the wire that brings in power to the electric float valve, and then takes up to the controller that we are going to see. Yes, that is how the tanks look like from a distance. So they are connected in parallel. So if you want to automate it, you'll need to install a manual valve in the second tank, such that the second tank is filled by the first tank. Then when this gets full, the second tank gets full, or the lower tank gets full, the manual valve will close, and then the upper tank will start to fill. And when the upper tank fills up to where the electric float valve was set, the pump will get off. Yes, let's see how the controller looks like. That's our solar panel we saw. So power from the solar panel comes to this controller here. Yeah, this is the control room. So power from the solar panel comes through this black wire, through the circuit breaker. Circuit breaker will have this cover, through the circuit breaker, then to the controller. Yeah, this controller, you can be able to see the revolutions per minute, or RPM. You can be able to see the amperes, the power, all the watts, and then the voltage. So when the tank gets full, it will light here. So our wires from the pump that we're going to see come through here. Then the wires from the float valve in the tank come through here, and then also the wires from the well, just in case the water level reaches the pump, it will also light red in the well to show that water has reached the pump, or where the water level switch has been set. These wires bring in power to the controller. Yeah, now our wires to the pump and to the float valve go through that conduit. You can see that here we don't have batteries here. Yeah, this battery system is for lighting, but on our solar pumping system there are no batteries, because we don't need to store energy, because storing energy is costly, and also the depreciation rate is high for some batteries. So it is better to at least have bigger reservoir tanks than storing energy, because you need power to charge the batteries. Yet you can use that power direct to pump the water. Yes, let's go and see. Let's go and see where we are getting water from. Let me keep my camera on so that we see how things look like here. So we first carried out hydrogeological survey, but that is done by our hydrogeologist. I'm a water resources engineer, though it is also sometimes good to have a water resources engineer on site during surveys. Come through that that where we broke there, then comes here, then also wires from the wire from the electric float valve in the tank comes through here, then goes through there to the controller. Yeah, let's see the well. Yeah, this pump protection unit was also constructed by our client. So our wires come up to here. This conduit carries the pump wires. This other one carries the wires for the level switch. So we have this valve here. Let me open and see. So you can see water coming here through this flush valve. Yeah, basically those are the components. You need the well. Yeah, this well was machine drilled, but it can be hand dug depending on some factors, and we shall have a demo video about that. Yeah, let me close here, but in case you have any question about automated domestic solar powered water pumping system, yeah, don't hesitate to, you can contact us via our email, which is info@wezengineering.com. Yeah, thank you for watching. We are always open for suggestions, because we always wish to make improvement and to works better, and also those who put in money or who want water to have the best they are supposed to have. Thank you.